Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Hi everyone, we are from the group called Arts, appreciating, reviving, and teaching skills.
What's cooking good looking? Because this month's topic is cooking.
Pasta comes in many different types, shapes, tastes, and colors.
Farfalle is one type of pasta. It is an Italian word for the word butterfly. Most kids call this type of pasta bow tie pasta.
Shells. These come in many different sizes. You can stuff them, make casseroles out of them, and even put them in soup.
Angel hair pasta. This is the thinnest pasta and cooks quickly. This pasta is mostly used in broth-based dishes. Penne pasta. This pasta is shaped like a tube. It is perfect for all sauces. Fettuccine. This is a thick pasta. We usually use this in thick meat sauces or with an Alfredo sauce. Rotini pasta. This pasta looks like spirals or twists. It works with any sauce and can be used to create fun salads.
There are many other types of pastas. Some of them have some funky names. Campanelli means bellflowers. Orchide means little ears. Orzo looks like rice, but it's actually pasta.
There are also many types of sauces to go with a pasta. Some of the most popular are
Alfredo sauce. This is a white sauce made with butter, cream, and cheese. Yum!
Marinara sauce. This is a true Italian sauce. It is thin and made with tomatoes, garlic, onions, and basil. Pesto sauce. This sauce is green. It is made with crushed basil, pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese. Nothing says Italian food like a big bowl of spaghetti and meatballs, unless you are Italian. This is an American-Italian dish. A spaghetti sauce is a thicker sauce. It has a tomato sauce base that usually contains meat.
We hope you have learned a little more about pasta and the sauces that top it.
Hope you learned